Hi, so today's homework, I'm just sending this to you so that you can check it by yourself. मैं भेज रही हूँ ताकि आपने अगर क्लास मिस किया होगा तो आप देख लोगे एंड होमवर्क सॉल्व कर लोगे, या अगर किया है तो खुद से चेक कर लोगे, राइट? लेट्स लुक एट द फर्स्ट सम, 2m माइनस 5 द होल क्यूब, राइट? कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे? a minus b the whole cube. What is the formula? a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube, right? सबसे पहले what is a? Compare this and this. a क्या है? 2m. b क्या है? 5. तो a square है 2m square, which is 2m into 2m. b square क्या है? 5 into 5, which is 25. 4m square, right? Now c square, which is a cube, which is 2m the whole cube, which is 2m into 2m into 2m, which is 8m cube, right? So what is b cube? 5 cube, which is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125, correct? Now we'll write the same as the formula. a cube क्या है? 8m cube minus 3a square b minus 3a square कितना होता है? 4m square. b कितना है? 5 plus 3b square, which is 25a, which is 2m minus b cube, which is 125. So this is 8m cube. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60m square. 3 into 2 6, 6 into 25 150m minus 125. So this is our final answer for the first sum. Second sum, again the question is 7x minus 9y the whole cube, right? कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे? a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. a क्या है? 7x. b क्या है? 9y. a square 7x into 7x, which is 49x square. b square क्या है? 9y into 9y, which is 81y square, right? Now what is a cube? 7x into 7x into 7x, 343x cube. b cube 9y into 9y into 9y, so 729y cube, right? Now tell me, हम फॉर्मूले के साथ लिखें. what is a cube? 343x cube minus 3a square 49x square, b 9y plus 3 into b square 81y square, a 7x and b cube minus 729y cube. Now what's the next step? ये वैसे का वैसे आएगा. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाकी है. 3 इंटू 49 इंटू 9 कितना होता है? 1323 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस 3 इंटू 81 इंटू 7, दैट इज़ 1701 वाई स्क्वायर एक्स. बचा क्या? माइनस 729 y cube. This is our final answer. Now let us look at the third sum. Third sum is a numerical sum, which is 198 the whole cube. अभी मेरे को बताओ 198 the whole cube, तो हम इसको a और b में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? Can I write this as 200 minus 2 the whole cube? Can this be written as a minus b the whole cube? a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Right? Now what is a? A is 200. What is b? B is 2. A square, 200 square, which is 200 into 200, which is 4. 1 2 3 4. Now what is b square? 2 square, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. Now a cube, 200 the whole cube, 200 into 200 into 200 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now b cube, which is 2 cube, which is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Correct? Now let's again look at the formula. We have a cube, we have b cube. Now let's put them there. 1 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 3 a square 1 2 3 4 b 2 plus 3 b square a कितना है 200 minus b cube which is 8. Correct? So let's again write it down. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24. 1 2 3 4 plus 3 into 4 12. 12 2s are 24. Those zeros minus 8. Now let's do the rough work. Can I do the rough work here? I'll write 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 24 2,40,000. 1 2 3 0 2. Correct? 0 0 0 0. This becomes 10, this becomes 9, this becomes 7 7 7 6 plus 2400, which is 0 0 4 2 6 7 7 minus 8 10 9 3. 10 minus 8 2 9 3 2 6 7 7. So इसका आंसर आया 7 7 6 2 3 9 2, which means therefore 198 का क्यूब कितना है 7 7 6 2 3 9 2. Correct? Now let's look at the fourth sum. The fourth sum is 58 the whole square. Right? इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? Can this be written as 60 minus 2 the whole square? Right? Which formula will we use? Cube. Which formula will we use? A minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. What is a? 60. What is b? 2. A square is 60 square, which is 60 into 60, which is 36. कितने zeros? 2 zeros. B square 2 square, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. A cube 60 cube, which is 60 into 60 into 60, that is 216 123. And b cube is 2 cube, which is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Correct? Now let's put that into the formula. A cube कितना 216 123 minus 3 a square b plus 3 b square a minus b cube. Correct? Now let's write it down. This is 216 123 minus 3 into 36 into 2. That is 216. कितने zeros? 2 zeros. Plus 3 into 4 into 60. 12 into 6. That is 72. कितना zero? 1 minus 8. So now we do the rough work. 216,123 minus 12612. Correct? This becomes 10. This becomes 5. This becomes 4. 4 becomes 11. This becomes 1. 1. 11 minus 2, 9. Plus 7, 20. 0, 2. 4 plus 7 कितना होता है? 11. 5, 9, 1 and then minus 8. This is 10, this is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1, 1, 5, 9, 1. So the answer becomes 195112. Therefore, the cube of 58 is 195112. Let's look at the last sum, the fifth sum. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube. What is the solution? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. So what is A? X upon 3. What is B? 3 upon x. A square x upon 3 the whole square, which is x upon 3 into x upon 3, which is x square upon 9. B cube, b square 3 upon x the whole square, which is 3 upon x into 3 upon x, which is 9 upon x square. Now a cube कितना होता है? x upon 3 the whole cube, which is x upon 3 into x upon 3 into x upon 3, which is x cube upon 27. Right? So b cube, which is 3 upon x the whole cube, will be 3 upon x into 3 upon x into 3 upon x, which is 27 upon x cube. Correct? So now we write this in the formula. A cube, x cube upon 27 minus 3 a square b plus 3 b square a minus b cube. So this will come ऐसे के ऐसे ही. This will become constants बाहर 3 into 3 upon 9 x square upon x plus 3 into 9 upon 3 x upon x square minus 27 upon x raised to 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3 कट, एक x ऊपर का कट, एक x नीचे का कट, 3 3 कट, एक x ऊपर का कट, एक x नीचे का कट. This is what's left. So the final answer is x cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. So this is the final answer. I hope this is clear. अगर कोई डाउट्स है तो प्लीज़ पूछो.